Welcome back, beautiful souls. In today's episode of Body Sculpt, we are diving into the invigorating world of Bikram Yoga, a practice that not only promotes flexibility and strength but also helps you sculpt the body of your dreams. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or new to the practice, we've got you covered. So, grab your mats and let's embark on this transformative journey together. What is Bikram Yoga? Bikram Yoga, named after its founder Bikram Choudhury, is a dynamic form of yoga that consists of a series of 26 postures and 2 breathing exercises. What sets it apart is that it is practiced in a heated room, usually maintained at a temperature of 105 degrees Fahrenheit 40.6 degrees Celsius with a humidity level of 40%. The combination of postures, controlled breathing, and the intense heat creates a unique experience that offers numerous benefits for both your body and mind. The power of heat. You might be wondering, why the heat? Well, the elevated temperature in a Bikram yoga class has several advantages. Firstly, it helps warm up your muscles, ligaments, and joints, reducing the risk of injury and allowing for deeper stretches. Secondly, it promotes detoxification by stimulating your sweat glands, aiding in the removal of toxins from your body. Lastly, the heat enhances cardiovascular activity, increasing your heart rate and calorie burn, making Bikram yoga an excellent option for those aiming to sculpt their bodies. Sculpting with the 26 postures. Now let's delve into the 26 postures practiced in a typical Bikram yoga class. These postures, performed in a specific sequence, target various muscle groups and engage both your upper and lower body. From the standing series that focuses on building strength and balance to the floor series that enhances flexibility and core stability, each posture is designed to sculpt and tone your body while improving overall fitness, mind-body connection. In addition to physical benefits, Bikram yoga emphasizes the mind-body connection. Through the practice of mindfulness, concentration, and controlled breathing, you can cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and tap into your inner strength. This mind-body connection can help you overcome mental and emotional barriers, empowering you to achieve your body sculpting goals, flexibility, and strength. One of the incredible aspects of Bikram yoga is its ability to simultaneously enhance flexibility and build strength. The heated environment allows your muscles to warm up quickly, making them more pliable and receptive to deeper stretches. The postures target specific muscle groups, including the core, arms, legs, and glutes, helping you develop long, lean muscles and a sculpted physique, weight loss and metabolism boost. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds, Bikram yoga can be an effective tool. The combination of the intense heat, increased cardiovascular activity, and full body engagement stimulates your metabolism and facilitates calorie burn. As you progress in your practice, you may notice improved muscle definition, increased energy levels, and a more efficient metabolism, supporting your weight loss goals, mental and emotional well-being. Beyond the physical aspects, Bikram yoga nurtures your mental and emotional well-being. The practice encourages mindfulness, stress reduction, and relaxation, providing a sanctuary to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. By incorporating meditation and controlled breathing exercises, you can find tranquility, reduce anxiety, and improve mental clarity, fostering a balanced and positive mindset. And there you have it, the wonders of Bikram yoga in your body sculpting journey. From its unique heated environment to the carefully crafted postures, this practice offers a holistic approach to transforming your body and mind. So, whether you're seeking flexibility, strength, weight loss, or inner peace, Bikram yoga can be a valuable addition to your fitness routine. Remember, consistency is key, so keep practicing, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. Until next time, keep sculpting and stay fabulous.